Hello everyone, this is Freya Thomas, and today we are going to be covering types of heart diseases. Let's cover what we went over in episode 1 as a summarizer. We went over the types of arrhythmias. We learned about bradycardia, tachycardia, fibrillation, and premature contractions. Then we learned about parts of the heart in episode 2. We learned about the four chambers of the heart, the right atria, the left ventricle, and the right ventricle. We also learned about some arteries, the superior vena cava, some valves, and veins. And today we're going to be covering types of heart diseases. So let's get started. So first, there's something called a coronary heart disease. And coronary heart disease is a type of heart disease where the arteries of the heart can't deliver enough oxygen-rich blood to the heart. So oftentimes in heart diseases, the disease will cause the heart to not be able to it'll cause the arteries of the heart to not be able to deliver enough oxygen-rich blood. And the heart's blood supply is blocked or interrupted by a buildup of fatty substances in the coronary arteries. And the causes are smoking, high blood pressure, and high blood pressure, if you don't know what it is, it's usually checked by your doctor. It's one of the vital signs that are often checked, and it's when the force of the blood against the artery walls are too high. So the opposite is low blood pressure, where the force of the blood against the artery walls is too low. And then there's high cholesterol. Cholesterol is a fatty substance found in your blood. And then diabetes is another cause. Then there are heart arrhythmias. And we covered arrhythmias in specific in episode 1, and this is another type of heart disease. It is irregular heartbeats. There's tachycardias, bradycardias, fibrillation, and premature contractions. And then the causes are diabetes, high blood pressure, and damage from a heart attack. Then there's heart valve disease. We learned about valves being the cusps where blood flow through in the heart, and heart valve disease means that one or more of the valves in your heart doesn't work properly. It possibly hampers the heart ability to pump enough blood through the body. It can cause the blood flow through your heart to your body to be disrupted. The causes are birth defects, degeneration, and infection. Then there's also heart failure, and it's a chronic condition in which the heart doesn't pump as well as it should, and it's a very common cause of death in the US. Heart failure, cardiac arrest, those are the common causes of death. And the causes of heart failure are birth defects, degeneration, infection. Another cause is diabetes and inactivity. So those are the common types of heart diseases we're going to be looking at today. In the next episode, we're going to be covering genetic heart conditions, so make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching this episode.